Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm with YWigs again. So I got my package in this drawstring bag, which is always good. You can use it for extra storage for your wig. This is the box, you know, regular packaging as usual. And I'm excited for today's wig because it is a pixie cut wig. Yes, it's an 8-inch ginger orange pixie cut wig. Before I get into that, let's see what's in the box. We have just a wig cap. So this wig is a little different from the rest that I've had. Definitely, I've never had a colored pixie cut wig. I'm happy about that, guys. Like colored pixie wig, curly at that. Never had that before, so I'm excited for that. It's 8 inches. It's pre-plucked in the front, looks really good. But the only difference is it's not a full-on lace front. It does have like 1 inch of lace here in the front where you can pluck and make it look very natural, but it is a T part, you know, with a little bit of space, and it is in the center, like an off center part. So I'm gonna see how that looks. But yeah, this is a construction of the wig. It has an extra elastic band so it can be more snugged on your head, and it has 4 combs in total on the inside. It's a medium cap. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm excited for this though. Definitely giving me summer vibes. You guys love to see me in the pixie cuts, and I love to wear them as well. So let's go ahead and jump into applying this. Installation is just like, you know, what I always do. I use my got to be. What I notice is that I'm definitely getting shedding from this, and I guess that it's because it's so processed. Like I'm just running my fingers through the hair, I'm getting shedding. It's not a lot, so just to put that out there. Also, as I said, this is an off center part, so the parting is like right within this area. Yes, I have to part it like right here, which that's not bad. The cut is really nice. It's really cute. Like it's a different vibe for me. Very much different for me than what I'm used to. I can't wait to get this wet though, and really just like, I'm sorry for all my background noises. I'm so sorry. But I'm just gonna work on the edges. So the only thing I would change about this wig is the side portion here. The lace, just because it's kind of limited here. Remember, it's a T part pixie cut, and for the most part it still has the lace appearance here in the front, like a lace front wig. but the very sides here I had to like finesse it a little because the lace doesn't come all the way down, so there's a little, the wefts are pushing through here, so I'm gonna have to finesse it to conceal that area a little bit more. But for right now, I'm just gonna do like 2 swoops. Yeah, I'm gonna do my little swoops and then proceed with styling it. So guys, even though it doesn't have any space to like do the sides, I still finesse it. I try my best to conceal it. It's looking good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm taking my wax stick, my hot comb to get it really laid. And the lace looks good. The lace melted really well. I'm not doing a whole bunch of like edge action in the middle here. If you're gonna get a T Part wig, a T Part wig like this makes a lot of sense because at least I put space in the front where it still come off like a lace front wig, you know, so it looks natural. So I like that a lot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some water, so it's in my spray bottle here, and I'm going to use some mousse. You can add conditioner to this, but yeah, I'm just gonna get it and I'm just gonna wet it up and like mold it to my liking, play with it, see how I want it to be. I'm really excited with how the shaping and everything is looking, so yeah. Finessing it. You could do it any way you want. The fact that you could totally pull it back is a vibe, being that it's a T Part wig. You guys saw how long I was there playing with it and just trying to. I finally did a part 2, by the way. You don't have to, but you know, I went ahead and did that, and it's really nice. You know, it's really nice. It's different for me because it's a colored one. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications to this in my description box, so you guys can feel free to go ahead and check this out. It's a different vibe. I know a lot of you guys love the pixie cut vibe, and this is colored, so that's just a plus to the whole summer, you know, feel. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was informative. If you're gonna get it, or if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV as well, and shout out to YWigs for this bomb wig. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.